Hello students, welcome to NEET and IIT Mentor, myself Arnav Sen. Today I will discuss about some tricks regarding the name reactions. Okay, now I will start from the chapter Haloalkanes and Haloarenes. I will start from the name reaction, that is first reaction is Group's process. Group's process. Group's process. The reaction of Group's process is CH3 CH2OH. This is ethanol. If we give the reagent as hydrogen chloride HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2, then the product will be OH is transferred to Cl, CH2Cl. This is the product Group's process. This is the reaction of Group's process. Now, next reaction is Hans-Steken reaction. Hans-Steken reaction. What is the reaction of Hans-Steken reaction? Silver acetate, that is CH3CAAG. If we give the reagent as Br2 CCl4 and reflux, then the product will be CH3Br. This is the main product. CO2 is the gas, so it comes out from the reaction, and AgBr is precipitated in this reaction. AgBr is precipitated in the reaction. This is Hans-Steken reaction. Now next reaction is Dargen reaction. Next reaction is Dargen reaction. Dargen reaction. Dargen reaction. The reaction is CH3CH2OH. If we give the reagent as thionyl chloride, SOCl2, the name of SOCl2 is thionyl chloride, then OH is transferred into Cl. CH3CH2Cl. This is the main product. Okay. SO2 is gas. It comes out from the reaction, and HCl also gas. This comes out from the reaction. Okay. This is Dargen reaction. Okay. Now next is Finkelstein reaction. Next is Finkelstein reaction. Okay. So now heading Finkelstein reaction. Finkelstein reaction. Finkelstein reaction. Finkelstein reaction is also known as halogen exchange reaction, because in this reaction halogen groups are exchange each other. Okay. So if we take example of reaction is CH3 CH2Cl. This is ether 1 chloroether. I will say 1 chloroether. Okay. If we give the reagent as sodium iodide NaI and deposited under acetone, then the product will be chlorine is transferred into iodine, CH3CH2I, main product, and side product is NaCl. Okay, this is Finkelstein reaction. As the same, if we give CH3CH2Br, if the reaction is CH3CH2Br, if you give sodium iodide and deposit under acetone, then the product will be This is 1-bromoethane. This is 1-iodoethane. Sorry. 1-iodoethane. Sodium bromide. This is sodium chloride, this is sodium bromide. Okay. Next is Barn-Bohm-Simonyi reaction. Next reaction is Barn-Bohm-Simonyi reaction. Barn-Bohm-Simonyi reaction. If the reaction is silver acetate CH3COOAG, if we give the reagent as I2 CCl4 and reflux, then the product will be CH3 COOCH3 plus CO2 is counter reaction and AgI is reciprocal reaction because it is a gas. Okay. When silver acetate is allowed to reflux with iodine in presence of CCl4 solvent, then methyl acetate is formed. This is called methyl acetate. This is called silver acetate. Okay. Then methyl acetate is formed. Okay. Next is if NBS. Next is reaction with NBS. Next is reaction with NBS. Reaction with NBS. Full form of NBS is N-bromosuccinamide. N-bromosuccinamide. Okay. NBS. If this is one type of alkene. Okay. If we give the reagent is NBS, H-mu and pyridine. CH3COOCH2 NBS, H-mu and pyridine. Then the product will be. When NBS is used as a reagent, then the product of bromine is always situated at the allylic position. Will be in allylic position. Okay. N-bromosuccinamide. NBS, full form NBS is N-bromosuccinamide. The uses of NBS it is used as allylic bromination. Used for allylic bromination. Okay. If we see the structure of NBS, this is the structure of NBS. This is structure of NBS. Structure of NBS. Okay. This is structure of NBS. Now, next is, if there were any doubt, please comment me in the comment box. Okay. Now, next is thiolic dancing is occurred. Next, SN1, SN2 will be also. Next is Hoffman rule. Okay. Next is Hoffman rule. Hoffman rule. Hoffman's rule. What is Hoffman rule? Says that if living groups are bond NR3+, bond SR2+, etc., that is charged species, then less substitution substituted alkene will be appear as a major product. Okay. If the reaction is, the example of reaction is if we keep the reagent as KOH and delta heat, then the product will be double bond. Here is double bond occurred and this way double bond is occurred. Okay. Now from these two products, which will be major product and which will be minor product? This will be taken as major product and this will be taken as minor product. The reciprocal rule of Hofmann rule is Serge rule. Okay, reciprocal is Serge rule. Serge rule. Okay, Hofmann rule is reciprocal of Serge rule. Serge rule will be if in Hofmann rule this product is taken as major product, but in Serge rule this product is taken will be as minor product, and this product taken will be major product in Serge rule. Okay. Now next is the reduction reaction. Next is reduction reaction. Reduction reaction. The reducing agent is HCl, nascent hydrogen. Then the product will be ethane, CH3 and CH3. If it reduces, reduction means is reaction reduced. Okay. Red P, HI, 150 degrees Celsius. Okay. Then the this is CH3, CH3. Okay. Next reaction is if we give the most reducing agent is lithium aluminum hydride. The most powerful reducing agent is lithium aluminum hydride. It forms ethane. This is the most powerful reducing agent. Most powerful reducing agent. Most powerful reducing agent. Most powerful reducing agent is lithium aluminum hydride, LiAlH4. Okay. Now next is reaction with Grignard reagent. In class 11 we also read Grignard reagent. Okay. The most important of Grignard reagent is if we give the Grignard reagent is CH3MgI. CH3MgI. You can have dry ether. D dot E dot. This is dry ether. Okay. Then the product will be product will be okay. And if we give dilute HCl or H3O plus or H2O slash H plus, dilute HCl, if we give dilute HCl, then OH CH3. Okay. Dilute HCl, or if we give H3O plus or anyone you give, or H2H plus. These two are same. Okay. Anyone you give. These two, from these two, anyone you give. Okay. Another reaction of Grignard reagent is, this is the basic reaction. Okay. Another reaction is ethyl formate, a reaction with Grignard reagent, and ethyl ortho formate. These two are mostly important reaction. Okay. Ethyl formate is the formula of ethyl formate is if we give the Grignard reagent as CH3 MgBr, which is deposited on the dry ether, we all know the mechanism of Grignard reagent is, this is del plus, this is del minus. It attacks from this carbon and the bond is erased. Okay. Now this will occur. This occur. Okay. If we give this as dilute HCl, then the product will be this is ethanol. This is key, ethanol. 1 carbon, 2 carbon, this is ethanol. Okay. Plus C2H5O MgBr. This is the main product, this is end product. Okay. This is ethanol. Okay, this is ethanol. Okay. Next is reaction between Grignard reagent and ethyl orthoformate. Next is reaction between Grignard reagent and ethyl orthoformate. Reaction between Grignard reagent and ethyl orthoformate. The formula of ethyl orthoformate is if we give the Grignard reagent as so it is gone to dry ether, then the reaction, then the mechanism will be, this is del plus, this is del minus, this will attack with, and one is removed from the carbon from the reaction. Okay. After mechanism, after the first reaction, the product will be okay. Okay. Plus C2H5O MgI. Okay. If we give dilute HCl or H3O plus, then the product will be, this will convert as ethanol. This whole product is converted as ethanol. CH3CHO plus C2H5OH. This will convert as C2H5OH as ethanol and ethanol. Okay, ethanol and ethanol. Okay. Next, reaction with active hydrogen. Next is reaction with active hydrogen. Next is reaction with active hydrogen. Reaction with active hydrogen. From the Grignard reagent. The Grignard reagent is CH3 Mgi. Okay. If we give H2O, H2 is also be written as H bond OH. Okay. This is del plus, this is del minus. So, in this case, CH3 takes up the hydrogen takes up and bond OH is released. Okay. It takes the hydrogen and OH is released. So, the product will be methane plus MgOH and okay. Another is if we give DTO, deuterium, DOD, and CH3OH also takes it, CH3D, Mg. There are several types. There are also several types of reactions. That is, if we give C2H5OH, if we give CH3OH, if we give deuterium oxide also, if we give ammonia, NH3, several and so on. Okay. Okay. Next is Williams-Ether synthesis. Next reaction is Williams-Ether synthesis. Next reaction is Williams-Ether synthesis. Williams-Ether synthesis. When alkyl halides are heated with sodium or potassium alkoxide, then the product will be ROR. This is the formula. What is the main formula? Ether, then ether will be formed. Okay. No, ether, sorry, ether not. If when alkyl halides are heated with sodium or when alkyl halides are heated with sodium or potassium alkoxide, then the product will be this will be product. This will be product. This is the main form of Williams-Ether synthesis. This is the main form of Williams-Ether synthesis. Okay, main form. So if we take an example as this is alkyl halides CH3Cl, one product of methyl chloride, which are heated with sodium or potassium alkoxide. This sodium alkoxide. Sodium alkoxide. Okay. Delta heat. Okay, this will be the product. This is the product. Okay. Now next is, that's all for today. Please subscribe the NEET and IIT Mentor channel and press the bell icon for new updates. And also please drop a like, share and comment also. Thank you.